Pure Body Health and Wellness has expanded to the beautiful town of Sidney by the Sea. With the intention of providing the community with additional health services in a tranquil, healing environment, our modern clinics allow practitioners to do what they love. Focus on your well-being. At Pure Body Health, we believe that caring for your body, your mind, and spirit is your greatest and grandest responsibility. Providing the highest standards from our 4 treatment rooms, we're offering services such as massage therapy, acupuncture, naturopathy, infrared sauna therapy, and paraffin wax treatments. We are committed to providing excellent service while conveniently offering long hours, weekend appointments, online booking, direct billing, and environmentally friendly health and wellness products. At Pure Body Health, we care about our clients, our community, and our planet. Visit our website to find out more about us.
Waiting for a breath of fresh air, waiting so long to exhale.